Hello fam, I'm TechHalla and some of you might already know me from X, where I've gathered a community of over 18,000 followers. Over the past year, I've shared thousands of prompts along with guides, workflows and heaps of free content to help you master the art of AI-generated creation. On Remix, I've grown to an incredible 88,000 followers, diving deep into the world of prompt engineering with a focus on image generation through AI. But this is just the tip of the iceberg, because I offer guides and tutorials designed to perfect your skills in creating consistent AI-generated images and exploring the exciting realm of AI-generated videos. I share my works, break down the creative process, and engage in discussions that offer a holistic view on mastering these innovative tools. This channel is your go-to source for reviews on a variety of applications from Midjourney to RenderNet, Remix, Leonardo, Runway ML, DALL-E 3, Pika, and many, many more. It's all about uncovering the potential of these platforms, guiding you to bring your visionary ideas to life. Whether you are here to level up your skills, seeking inspiration, or simply curious about what AI can do in the world of art and video creation, you are in the right place. My mission is to make this journey informative, accessible, and above all, fun. So let's embark on this adventure together, pushing the boundaries of creativity with AI. So welcome to the channel and let's create something incredible together.